Your car's okay, Jake. It's,
well, I pulled out of the driveway, so Rick could park.
Oh, Jennifer, you can run on. This is yours.
Yeah, I did. Thanks a lot.
Here's the baby.
Oh, you guys are staying over there.
Yeah. Plus they had loads of junk too. I suppose you did too.
Hey, they really plow that thing out wide, don't they?
Get out of it.
She kisses it and puts it down. No. We'll leave the clothes in the back.
no, that's tomorrow.
Leave the clothes in the back so they don't move.
Huh?
You didn't know about that, did you?
This camera? No, I knew about this. We got a VCR too.
You knew about that camera?
Yeah, I bought this camera.
Oh
Oh no, this is a bank bought thing.
Last 2 weekends ago.
Yeah,
Don't drop her.
that was Rick's. I had mine at home, man. Yeah.
Look at her.
We spent $2,000 this Christmas.
Where's your big one?
Sierra Beta.
Oh, there.
Yeah, you
Up there. Here.
Oh no, each one has its disadvantages.
Yeah, you rolled over.
You gonna show me your present, Delmina?
Yeah.
No, really, that's your baby. You gotta hold her.
If the market
look at Maria.
was poor this year.
industry goes that way, I'll just buy one. And he's got a stick out of front shoe, she does. Yeah.
Look at her holding her like a real baby, Mom.
Yeah, if you got some later.
Are you getting Marie feeding her?
Where? I can't see it.
Show Dad how you can feed the baby. Show Daddy how you can feed her. Here, show Daddy how you can feed the baby.
Yeah, you think so. Not for long. No, I'll be moving someday, you know. I'll be moving someday. Yeah.
Where?
Well, I don't know. You're not that close to home. You know,
It's only 15 minutes away.
Here, Marie, here's another one for you to open.
no, I'd like to move down there. If I ever got a job that way, I'd go.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Marie!
Move. Gotta put the baby in her arms. It's a baby.
John, what do you got there?
Like the baby.
Is that yours? Bring her over here so I can see.
Marie, that's your present.
For being in the back.
Marielle, stop her.
I bet you she sits in rocks.
Honey, open yours over there. She can't get it open, Linda. You gotta help
She
her.
sits in rocks.
Here, Marie. I know, I want to leave them in there so she doesn't lose them.
Yeah.
We have a freaking piece of dynamite there.
Look at the 2 red lights going there.
No, this is for Marie, honey. Okay, Marie, here.
Jim, you're
I know, I got a picture of both.
There's a mirror over there.
Let's open it.
You're getting me in the mirror.
Yeah, open it.
I got it.
Come on, rip the camera out. Over here and play with it.
Hey, Al.
Come on, rip the
Who won that
camera
game? What was the score of that game last
Yeah,
night?
rip the
I
camera
went out there
out.
and I took a picture of both.
Let's see
What was
what
it? Did you watch it? It was a good game. I fell asleep third quarter. It was all field goal.
Yeah, well, what did it end up to be?
I don't know.
They
16
started
to
wiping
9 or something?
They started wiping them.
The
Got
Raiders.
16 to 9, then they started going on.
I tell you, if they had a better quarterback, the Raiders, they'd kill them.
When I went to
That
the
Wilson.
game, it's 26 to 9.
If Plunkett was healthy,
Look at your pretty dress, Grandma got
hey, you know, if Plunkett was healthy, they'd probably win the Super Bowl.
that water. Stand up once.
Or,
See how
hey,
that'll look.
the Rams have 4 offensive linemen that are going to the Pro Bowl. And the Raiders walked
It's
all
a bonus. Bonus.
They did.
Ah, bonus.
Okay, let's have Mom. Why don't we have Mom and Dad over there?
Have Mom open hers first. I have no way.
That's a joke.
Lyle Almeida, he has a new lineman for Oakland. He's hurt.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to do that.
Gene, I think somebody, one of the kids got the wrong. Yeah.
Big guy, white guy with a beard.
Here, you want to open this with Joseph? Let me see. Open it with Joseph. Oh, she rocks the baby. Jennifer, bring that here, honey. Her eyes falling down. Jennifer!
Hi, Dominic. Look at Maurice. Linda, Maurice don't have to close my door.
Good morning.
All right. What do we say to Grandma and Grandpa? Thank you very much.
Dominic, Dominic, Dominic. Dominic, 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 Dominic.
You don't need to use that slide. The thing on top is autofocus. You just push it on the top of the.
I know that. I know. I like using this though.
Is that the auto zoom? Yeah, it's got auto zoom.
Yeah, it's got wide angle. That's and
A little quicker when you do it by hand.
yeah.
Okay, Mom and Dad, start opening your gifts. Why would you want to do watch the pictures yourself when you want? Zoom in and off. It's automatic.
Why don't we pick this mess up first?
Jake, go get that now. She's opening the stuff from us. Mom, you can open
What'd you get there, Margene? Canisters.
Everybody would get out of the way.
Everyone get their butts out of the way.
Santa come here and deliver all the toys to all the kids.
Okay, that's good. Walk right in the way. Make sure you get more in the way.
You know that we buy our kids. I'd love to see them kids go nice.
I like my little canisters.
They're not real big either.
I don't mean to be in the way, but someone's got to keep this place cleaner. Mom, those are real brass, they're real concrete. Those are the polish on them. Back? No varnish.
They're not real.
Pretty.
Marie likes pretzels.
They're especially
Oh, someone must really rip the hole in there.
What does Marie got?
Trying to get Jake.
Marie got?
There's my boy.
I forgot I ordered it.
Oh, gee, I'm wasting a lot of time here.
Hey, Robert, you want to demolish the presents down there? They don't?
I'm not even close to my lap.
No, the presents down there. Vicky, I like this. Where'd you get this?
Milwaukee.
And the bear.
That's for Robin. That's my teddy bear.
That's the bear.
Don't.
Who's
that from?
Into a cookie.
Yeah.
Stuff on the gifts.
Told you can always.
No.
That's what one of the things Danny had on her list.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas. Rick. Bentley's worse yet when he gets on camera. Oh, look at you doing nothing.
This went all out about you.
Happy hot.
Jake, you're getting older, aren't you? Every year after you.
Another one from the kids?
The beard gets thicker. The beard gets thicker. Wait a minute. Oh. Here, I got this on camera. This is gonna get sent in, Rick. Oh, jeez.
Cut him off. Cut him off.
Jake, that's how to run with that.
Oh, there's another vial.
There? Dan said.
He checked out the inventory before.
There we do know how to make one now. And that.
I don't know. The only one who drinks it. Maybe
Fine quality. Oh, what the heck was that? Okay, now what do we do? What's our third step? Step one was ice. Two was Coke. You put any rum in there?
Dominic.
Great drink.
Great
Best
drink.
Christmas drink I ever made.
All right.
Mary.
That kid must be a human sibling.
Mary. Oh, jeez. Oh, Dad, you got the rum or
You go after Christmas.
Is this Rick's camera or Vicky? Whose camera is this?
Christmas, that would be fine.
This-
so
is
many
this-
people were gonna be there.
I know it. She was worried about
Marie, that's Dominic.
my mother.
Marie, your water. What happened to her water? Marie, your water's right there. Here's your water.
No.
Hey, Dominic,
What's in there?
what are you gonna do? Drink up the world or what? Nobody's gonna go through a lot of diapers. You're gonna do
Diapers.
Who's that from?
Marie. Marie.
I just have a
Give
box
us
of
one.
candy at New Way.
Marie. Marie. What you eating? What you eating?
Christmas.
And I got it, but I want to get him some new clothes, but I can't get him clothes without him.
Yum, 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 yum.
Well, just give her a little piece at a time. No, have him open the big one first,
And with that thing, he might be afraid to go back into all this.
Who's that?
And
Who's it from exactly now?
Everybody.
Including Alan, right?
Yep.
Including Alan, Dad.
Oi!
Alan chipped in on this too, just so you know.
rocks in there, Dad.
A bag of coal and a box of rocks.
Your arm.
Uncle Bob's got one. He really likes it.
Like this?
Those are new like tastes.
He says he uses it all.
They buy me all kinds of
No. He said it was
candy to get me fat in a rowing machine.
Yeah, that doesn't make too much sense.
You wanted it though, didn't
Uncle
you?
Bob says he uses his every day. He really likes it.
That's from me and Annie.
Yeah, I want to try it out.
Oh yeah. You'll never use it.
Yeah,
What am I going to do with them?
When you're in the rowing machine.
Batman and Robin outfit.
use that on your Beamer too.
Because Dr. Wheels on a sweatsuit.
Dr. Wheels. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, everybody.
Welcome.
I was going to buy one of these rowing machines after Christmas.
I know you were. Uncle Bob told us. Oh! Oh, 3 men in the tub. Is it neat? 3 men in the tub. Okay, let's go open something else. We got lots of them here. I'll start it.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
okay. These are the icky ones. I'll help you start. There. I'm gonna rip it away. Oh, look at that toy with all the pieces in the middle, honey. Look at. Okay.
Oh, Marie, isn't that pretty? Pretty.
See this ripping apart. Oh, a Smurf!
A Smurf?
Is she pretty?
Is
Give
that
her
a
a
Smurf?
kiss. Give her a kiss. Give her a hug. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
There. Some new books. Some new books.
Ah, new books. Book.
Yeah, did
Book.
Santa leave you books? Santa left you books? Okay, let's set the books over here and open some more presents. Here's one. You just have to lift it. Oh! Push and go truck.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Marie, look at
Ooh.
the truck.
And a plane.
And the plane.
The plane, the plane. Okay, what's in here?
Whoa, grab that bow. Grab that bow.
Take it off. Take the bow off. Whip it. No, she likes it. Okay, let's see. We start opening here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's the spell with. Okay. Learn how to do it by yourself.
Claus.
Does Claus leave you all these nice presents?
Claus.
Claus
Claus.
must left you all these nice presents in the middle of the night. Oh, these stupid things.
Claus.
Just another.
Oh, throw them out. Throw them away right away. Yeah, just throw them away.
Wait, we got more, honey. Daffy Duck! Daffy Duck! Okay, here's another one. What's this? Ernie's puzzle hat! Ernie and Bert! Ernie!
Whiny butt. Whiny butt.
Here.
More.
More.
More. More. More.
Oh, new coloring books!
Acker.
Coloring books!
Acker. Acker.
Cinderella, half of them. Neato for when we color. Okay. Rip that bow off. She knows what oh, this is a good one. Oh. Here, take it off. Oh! Glow baby!
Glowworm.
We gotta get her out now.
Oh.
Look at the baby!
Look at.
Then when you
Slow
squeeze her, honey,
baby.
her head lights up.
Oh.
Beepy.
Beepy.
You gotta squeeze
Beepy.
her, watch. You give her a big hug, and her head lights up.
A baby. Baby.
Beepy.
She pretty. Okay, here we go to some of the bigger things in life. More, there's more. Oh, we got more though, honey. Here's the car. the people. Oh, that's the dog.
That's the steeple.
Here's the people. Got in the car. Now we gotta get this junk out of the way because we got another one.
Oh, discover
Another one.
the people. Oh.
She wants to play with that one right away. Here, come on, another one. Ooh. Oh, another one. Here, let's get it out. Oh, Shapes and Slides Playground. There. One more. This is a big one, too. Here, why don't you stand up and try to open this one? Oh no, you like to sit down, huh? Okay, let's see. Let's start over here. Start ripping.
Getting the neck of that's too
So
easy,
cute.
I think.
Her?
Yeah, you're gonna want to do that every day.
A Zoo Fisher Price Zoo! Oh my
Fisher
gosh,
Price.
that's neato!
Neato.
Neato!
Alright.
Wow, we have one more little thing for Marie to open up. Santa decided to put it
That's
under the
what
tree.
this life is.
Santa on there?
Oh, Santa. Tanta. 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 Marie, is that Tanta?
Is it Santa?
Marie, Santa. Claus. 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 Good girl. Go for the gusto.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a baby! And she's
Rainbow
pretty.
Bride. Oh. Baby. Baby. The baby. This boy.
Wait. I gotta get it off here.
There you go. Rainbow Bride.
There.
There.
Is she
Show the baby
pretty?
to the camera.
Rainbow Bright, Baby Bright.
There. Boy, oh boy. Whoa.
What a lucky girl. Santa Claus sure was nice to you this year. See, this is her bottle.
Butter.
Look at it, it's got milk in it. That's her bottle. Yeah, you feed her.
Butter. Okay, all done.
That's it from Santa, but you sure got a lot of stuff.
Butter. Baby in a butter. Yeah, that's the technique.
That's it, Marie.
That's a
very
good girl. Good girl. Is Marie a good girl? Marie, smile. Smile for the camera. Smile. Okay. All done. Can you smile? Yeah, butter baby. What is this? What could it be? Sophie. Yeah. What can it do? I'll bet someday. Everyone has one.
Oh, neat. Patty, that stinker. I can't believe she went and did that for you. Knew just what I wanted to get. God, I'm too spoiled. What's in here? Something else good. It's got her little handwriting on it here. Oh no. Zodiacs. Oh.
No. Aren't they pretty?
Yes.
I saw them like about a week or two ago.
Yes, they are. I have to try them on to make sure they fit. Oh, thank you, honey. Now, would you take that thing off me? No, whatever it is not telling me in the box. Oh, new lamps. I really didn't think there was any in here. Oh.
Didn't ya?
No, I didn't think so. It was too light, I thought.
Oh, the cheap lamps.
No lamps are cheap, honey. They're pretty.
You like them?
Yes.
Don't drop it.
Oh, and a brass-looking bottle. Oh. Oh no, it's pretty. Oh, wait till I get it together. How it looks. And there's two of them?
Yeah. One in the box below it.
Oh.
You thought that was all one big box.
Yeah, I didn't think it was. Figured it out. There's a picture of them.
Oh wee, oh wee, oh wee.
Oh, goodness me.
She likes them, Terry.
Upright. Thank you.
Yeah, you didn't even need it yet, but you can.
I know I didn't need it, but I love it. It's gonna save me about 100 backaches a week. No, not really. I'm just kidding. Here, you had me all fooled. I was telling everybody, no, that box is heavy, but it's too small to have a vacuum cleaner in it.
Oh yeah, you were telling people that?
And I go, and the other one's too light. There can't be lamps in it. It's too big. You really had me fooled. Can't get this tape off. There.
It's actually a pretty good model.
These are all my attachments. Blue, what a pretty color.
Well, that's just the model color. Marie, go play with your toys.
Oh.
Spend $4,000 on it for 20 minutes. Play. It's good. It's real good.
That's it.
Okay, we'll set her up.
Look at me.
Z.
Can't even really notice that.
Not too bad. Man.
Oh, no, wait. Why don't you let Daddy get it? Mom, I'm going to open this.
Yeah, you can open it here. I'll help you get it started. There. There we go. There we go.
Who's that from?
She learned how to rip wrapping off today.
There you go. Thank you.
Oh, isn't that nice? And jogging pants and a top. Good.
And a dollar. Oh, money.
Hey, bring me the box so I can keep them stacked in the corner.
Wait, no, I got $15. Daddy, that one to you. You take the movie.
No.
Bring it
over here. Isn't that cute? Marie, look at your sweater. Marie, come here. This is for you too. Marie, here.
Smiling at me.
Here, this is yours. Go by Daddy.
Mom, can I open mine?
No, wait till we watch boxes back by you.
Hello, Marie. Joey, open
Hi,
here.
Daddy.
Marie, look at Daddy.
Hey, you're sitting on this
Let's sit down where you were.
Sit down where you were.
Yeah. Joey, you got mine up. Open mine up.
Set that up.
I got.
Take it out of there. Let me take a picture.
Don't that really run? Hey.
Take a picture of you.
Joey, take it by your daddy.
Hey, over here. Mother, you want one film?
Joey, look at me.
Joey, Mama wants to take a picture.
That's right.
Here, Joey.
Sit down here.
I'm supposed to help Grandma give the presents.
Just one at a time.
Otherwise, everybody's going to be ripping them open. Go in the other way. Joey, I just got one.
Wait, Joey. Lori's still opening hers. Just wait.
Here, Lori.
Just wait. Yeah, but wait for Lori to get done.
We're giving you. Who is this from? No, you can't yet. Just move. What you get from Grandma?
Teddy, you guys all sit down. When it's your turn, you'll get it. Teddy.
See the pretty sweater. Should I give this to Ryan?
This is so touching.
Where's my gift?
Jenny.